Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On this week's Friday video, I'm going to show you all the stuff I got thrifting this week. I'm not doing a DIY video this Friday because I published one on Tuesday along with the 2023 IOD holiday release. If you didn't watch it, I'll go ahead and pop it right up here, but make sure you check out the playlist of all the creators who created stuff using this new release, which is really fun. So if you want to see what I picked up this week, stick around. So let's get started on some stuff that I found. These were all Goodwill finds this week. I have started a little plate collection whenever I find plates that I just love. This one was $2.09. It is sewn china, made in Japan. And I just love the colors on here, and thought it would go really well on this little plate wall that I'm going to do eventually once I get enough, to make a collection. Something else I got is, this is a Roseville for $5.09. Thought it was a really good find, and I'm just gonna throw that in my booth, and somebody will definitely be looking for that. I also found 6 of these milk glass goblets. They were $2.09 a piece. That I would sell them in a set of 6, and somebody would totally be looking for those. Ooh, since I'm talking about plates, guys, look at this. $2.09. Let's see. I'm going to show you the back. I just thought the plate was beautiful. And I got 2, one for me and one to sell. I just thought they were beautiful. And apparently I'm into collecting just one-off little plates now. Something else that I found was a family hem book. Thought it would be good for projects to just put hems in the background, and it has some fun pictures too. So I'm going to use this in pieces and parts, and thought it would be a really fun thing to pull from when I want to do multimedia projects. So I got a set of 3 of these. They were $1.39 a piece. They come with the little plate racks, and I thought they would be really good in a set of 3, but there is a chip, so I'm probably gonna paint all 3 to be similar and go together. Just a little tiny chip, but I thought it'd be easy to upcycle it and make it into a very cute wall display. This is for me, $1.09. I have eczema on my hands, so I do like to take my wedding ring off because I'm washing my hands all the time, and thought this would be cute to put next to the sinks to hold it safely. I am enjoying my little DIY pumpkin and did not have any more of these molds. Henry. He's really mad at the neighbor's dog. This mold was $3.24, and I love the coloring of it. So I'm probably going to paint it a certain color, very much distress it so that this can come through, and put a doily and a spindle and some, just a nice neutral color and some leaves, and put this in my booth since I'm keeping the other one. Thought I'd give it a try with a different style. This, I'm gonna see if my girls want to keep it. It was $3.09. It has this beautiful like fabric and burlap. It's a place to kind of stick things. Thought it'd be good for their room, and then little hooks at the bottom. So I'm gonna try and see if probably my oldest would like it. If she doesn't, I will put it in the booth. I'm sure someone will snatch it up. this, my middle one wants to keep. It is this, I'm not doing anything to it other than washing it. It is, I just think it's beautiful. I paid $4.09. It has some rusty parts to it. Beautiful color. And look at that etching. It would look great painted and pull that etching out with like some wax, but I think I'm just gonna clean this up and leave this as is. I also got, this was $2.09, but I pulled the sticker off so I could read that it is Arthur Wood, England, and decided I want to buy it. But then when I went up to the register, it wouldn't work anymore. So I'm pretty sure it only charged me $1 for it by doing something else. But I thought this was a really cute stoneware piece from England. It has like this beautiful crackle in it. Some floral sticking out of it. Totally cute. Okay, every time I put pink glass in my booth, it is sold. So $2.09. How beautiful for fresh cut flowers. $2.09. I'm pretty sure I just have sold one of these. And then this one might be staying with us because we do cut flowers and this is nice and pretty. This was $1.09. Something that I picked up with the idea of I know I want to upcycle it. That's the fun thing about today. I think this is the only upcycle project. Everything else is wash up, put a tag on it, and get it at my booth. I need more of that in my life, you know what I mean? But these right here, this was $3.09. Was originally $24. I don't know. Yeah, right. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet as far as painting. I feel like it's gonna be a bleeder just because of just how orange, and I'm sure the tan ends are gonna be coming through. But I'm gonna paint it, distress it so that you can see some of the texture. But because this is so tightly weaved, thought that this would be a really good place for one of those new transfers. What is it? The cute little, those cute little critters. Oh, I love them. Couldn't you just see a cute little critter on here? Originally, I was thinking black, but also, am I the only one? When I put up my Christmas tree and I don't have presents under there right away, I think it looks really empty. So I like to put these little cute little baskets and stuff under the tree to make it look like it's a finished space until you kind of get all the presents under there. And you know, especially with my youngest, you can't put presents out there too early or she will mess with them, try to open them, etc. But I have a medium-sized one that was $3.09 and a little one that was $2.09. Thought this was a great upcycle project. Maybe even some of the ones from the Santa transfer. I don't know. You'll have to check my next video to see what I do with these. I have not had a lot of experience with like legit silver, but this is Reed and Barton. Super heavy. I paid $7.09 for this one and $7.09 for this one. I did a little lookup, or I tried to while I was in the store. My internet wasn't quite working, but I knew that they were worth more than $7 a piece for that, so I thought I'd try my hand at like legit heavy silver. Please let me know in the comments below how to clean these up, because I don't think this is the right kind of grungy, right? Like, I feel like this needs to be cleaned up to really shine. So what should I do? What should I use to clean this up? And then last but not least, this cute little tin, $2.24. It is lightweight, nothing like super antique-y about it, but I just thought it could be really cute painted. Getting the sticker off and then using either a white wax or a dark wax to see these details pop. I just thought it was really cute. So I grabbed it. And then this week, my neighbor is finishing her basement and her contractor said, I can start next weekend. So she was in this hurry to get stuff out of her basement. So she sent me a text with a bunch of pictures. Do you want these for free? I'm gonna put them out on the road, and I had to say yes. I'm proud of myself. I said no to one mirror because I didn't really love the style and thought, let's learn to say no just a little bit. So I said no to one thing, but I got this desk right here that is in really great shape, just needs a fun paint job, and it has a chair to match. I also got 2 different mirrors. Listen, just add a little paint, do a little distressing. They had some really cute details that I thought would look good either with distressing or some white wax, and thought it was a total no-brainer. This little end table, I think that would be really easy to sell in my booth with a little upcycle. And that is it. So what do you guys think of my haul? I think I did pretty well. Technically, I really do need to stay out of thrift stores. My basement is completely full with plenty of waiting inventory that I need to get through. But I don't know, I guess after getting that IOD video out, I felt like I needed a little retail therapy. So that is what I did. This weekend, I'm so excited to say that we are doing phase 1 of our electrical project in the basement. And we are adding electrical to my studio. I'm so excited because right now, one switch turns the whole basement on. We have 2 electrical outlets and we've got cords running everywhere. So I'm going to be able to get plenty of power cords in my space on the opposite side of my wall where my saw is. So like, it's going to be so much better. I'm getting light in my closet and a switch for the closet so that my paint inventory can be in there and I can see what I'm doing. And the most exciting part, I'm getting can lights, and he suggested to get these specific lights that have almost like a quality like a ring light, and I can change the warmness and coolness of the light depending on if I'm filming or I need to see better. So I'm really excited. That is my anniversary present. I know. So we are getting that done this weekend, and we've spent some time cleaning out the space. Guys, I had a little shame party last night. I mean, I had my family down there to help me move some stuff out of the way so the electrician could get in the space that he needed to pull all the wires. And I just like had this moment of shame of, how did I let it get this bad? Do you guys do that? I mean, I was just like, you know what, babe, just go put the kids to bed. Let me just deal with this myself. I made the mess. I wanted to clean it up. I feel so much better. And after like an hour or 2 hours of working on it, it is so much better. So let me know in the comments below. Do you get in these like little modes where you're like, how did I let this happen? And if I would have just worked on it, I don't know, months ago, I wouldn't have had this like feeling in the back of my head of something that I needed to do. So that is what we were working on around here. Hadley and I did a little bit of wallpapering. I did a reel with DIY Slick with Patina, and I was installing wallpaper last night, and we did that in her dollhouse. And we got motivated to work on it again because we found these cute little furniture sets in our antique store, along with this adorable bear rug. And Hadley's like, I love animals too much to have a bear rug, but this is such a cute little bear. So that is what she decided to do for her little dollhouse. So I hope that you guys got some stuff from the IOD release because gosh, it's so fun, so beautiful. If you already have it, I hope you're having fun creating. If you are anticipating it to arrive in your mailbox, I'm excited for you. It's fun times. My plan is to do more projects in next week's video. There's so many options with these transfers, the molds, and the stamps. Guys, I'm so thankful that you're here. Do not forget to create for yourself. We are getting into the fall Christmas holiday season. We know it gets crazy. Do not forget to take care of yourself. I'm reminding myself as well. I am thankful for you guys. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that notification bell to all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.